Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you like this video that I'm bringing you. It's a little chopper build that we did. Um, it's a beautiful bike. It's a mini bike actually, and I think it came out pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and smash that notification bell. Alright guys, I'm gonna be making a lot more content like this with the cars, like I told you, with the exotics, with the hypercars, you know, custom cars, you know, various different cars we're going to be doing. So I hope you enjoy, and I'm playing safe with my mask. You know, I'm social distancing and stuff, so stay positive, guys, okay? Love you, man. Peace. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.